recording. Okay, so second page of glass. So this one has got quite tricky jumps in it, and I'm using the playing it in different rhythms. So the first part is not that hard. I'm going to try that with a metronome just to get through it for once. And this is supposed to be forte. Yeah. That's on. I'm just doing this again. Okay. So next part, I'm not doing this with a metronome yet. I should probably do that. Okay, so let's go this first pattern. And I'm doing that. That's quite a fun way to do it. I can't see it very well, sorry. Okay, and then turn it around. Okay, I'm going to skip a bit and then carry on. So it's basically the same pattern, it's just in a different order. And so on. Next one is also, this one is the same as the first one, so actually I could skip it. It's the first time I noticed that it is the same, so perhaps I should practice it. It actually feels more in control than the first time I did it. Switch the rhythm around. found this one easier, but today I'm struggling with it. Okay, next one. So this one has got the high D in it, so I'm very glad I've got the key for that. I've been practicing this piece on Descant previously, and I had lots of trouble with this fingering. But actually the key makes it a lot easier because you can feel, on Descant you feel like you're missing the instrument when you're doing this half oil, but on the tenor it's very nice to have a key. I'm not happy with the intonation of my B flat. I'm actually just working on fingering right now, so if somebody's really irritated by my intonation, I'm not going to focus too much on intonation quite right now, just I noticed what is going on. Okay, next pattern, same notes, just a different order. And around. I actually need to do this with the metronome. I'm fluctuating in tempo too much. Last one. Winter in South Africa, so I'm really surprised that it kept this long. Okay, I'm going to do a bit with the metronome. So the thing will be to find, I think, a comfortable tempo, not as much as trying to be in tempo. I might be able to do it in tempo, but let's just be safe. So I'm going to go for I think so. I'm going to make it 90 per eighth note. to do a next bit on the same tempo, because it's grouped differently. Everything is grouped 6/8 wise, and this next part is grouped like 3/4. So still counting in dotted quarter notes is a bit difficult for this part, so I'm just going to do it in 8th notes now. Okay, I'm going to definitely do this faster. I'm going to put it on 120. Now, this part is forte with a crescendo and it ends pianissimo. So trying to figure out what to do, because this entire page is actually forte. But you can't just stay forte, you have to make some differentiation. I think it can actually go softer in order to go louder. Let's see. Something in that order. My intonation is all over the place, I know. Yeah. So what I would like to know is, can I use the dynamic markings as tempo indications in a sense, or do I have to stay entirely rhythmically? Because woodwind wise it's almost impossible. You have to breathe somewhere, and I don't want to practice in tension. That's the trouble I had trying to stick to a metronome and just breathing every 6 or 8 bars. It's not going to work for me. So I feel if this was written by a recorder player for recorder, perhaps he had in mind that you can be a little bit freer here and there. I don't know. So that's what I'm asking. Yeah, right.